Thanks for joining me this Saturday evening in October in beginning of reading week, end of midterm week, taking a break from marking. I've just made 5 macaroni and cheese here and I'm going to smoke them. Macaroni and cheese cooked on a smoker is extra good. It elevates a humble side dish to absolute perfection. Goes well with meat and a salad on the side, and it's just so good. Cost-effective meal. And if you don't have a macaroni and cheese recipe, then look up mine. I haven't tasted one better myself, honestly. It's really yummy. Do you have a better macaroni and cheese recipe? Share it with me. I would love to try it as well. So let's put all of these in a cabinet smoker. Smoke them for an hour while we mark midterms, eh? I have my smoker set to 1 hour at 250. 250 for 1 hour is going to melt this a little bit. It's going to give it a smoky taste. It's not going to cook it all the way through, because when I give it to my friends, that's when they're going to have it cook all the way through, because they have to cook it when they eat it, right? So you don't want to overcook it now. So I'm just going to smoke it for an hour to get that smoky flavor. There we go. I have 4 shelves. I did make 5 of these, but we're gonna keep one for ourselves because we only have 4 friends. This one on the top is extra special. It's not gonna fit. Gonna put my extra special one right here. It's got some little bit of different ingredients in it. I do want it to get smoked. I don't want it to get too smoked though. That one. And there we go. 4 special macaroni and cheeses for 4 special friends. Thanks for joining me this late October night in Ontario in our outdoor kitchen. Midterm week. Let's go back to marking midterms now. It's 11 o'clock at night now. It's still midterm grading night. Let's check on our smoked macaroni and cheese that I've made for a bunch of friends of mine. Ooh, it looks good. All it takes is an hour in a smoker to make macaroni and cheese really special and delightful. There you go. Beautiful. It's not completely melted. It's just smoked. My friend can still heat that up for 350 in their oven, and it's going to be beautifully melted. However, it's already got that smoky flavor in, so I'm going to take all 4 of these out, put some saran wrap on them, give them away as gifts tomorrow, and get back to my midterm grading. Hope you're having a nice evening. Happy Student Success Week. Take care.